Hi students, MCQ number 6. A sound wave whose frequency is 5000 Hz travels in air and then hits the water surface. The ratio of its wavelengths in water and air has to be determined. It is a very simple problem. Already we have studied that when any wave traveling in one medium just touches or enters into the other medium, its wavelength will change, velocity will change, but frequency will never change. So here the frequency is 5000 Hz in both air as well as water. Okay. So here the given quantity is frequency is equal to 5000 Hz. Now the velocity of sound waves in water it is equal to 1450 Hz. So this is a standard value which is not given in the question. We are supposed to assume the value. Similarly, now the velocity of sound in air, the standard value observed by Laplace at 0 degree Celsius. So 332 meters per second. So here also the unit must be what? Meters per second. So the velocity of sound in water is 1450 meter per second, and the standard value of velocity of sound in air is 332 meters per second. Okay. Now the general expression. What is the general expression? V is equal to lambda into F. Is it not? V is equal to lambda into F. Now the ratio of its wavelength is asked. So here lambda is equal to V by F, or lambda is proportional to V, because F is the same in both the medium. So lambda is proportional to V in air as well as in water. So the ratio of the wavelengths in water and air is asked. That means lambda water divided by lambda air. So we will take lambda water divided by lambda air. So this is equal to what? Velocity of light in water divided by velocity of light in air. So what are the standard values? 1450 meter per second divided by 332 meters per second. So this ratio we have to find out. If you divide this using a calculator, means the value is coming as 4.36. This is the ratio. So which is the nearest answer is 4.30. All other numbers are much deviating. Therefore, option A must be the correct answer. Therefore, option A is the correct answer. In some of the numerical problems, the standard values must be remembered by you. So keep it in mind. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.